Hey my YouTube friends and family, thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's video, I'll be taking you to Tiles R Us, located in Top Hill, St. Elizabeth. So if you're in the market for any tiles or bathroom fixtures, kitchen fixtures, any fixtures at all for the home, this video is for you. So come along with me guys, let me know what your thoughts are. So if you haven't done so as yet, please hit subscribe, like the video, and share this video to a friend or family member. Thank you guys. So these are the freestanding tubs. So let me take you over to the vanities. So unfortunately, this one is out of stock. Floating vanity. This is a single vanity. These are quartz countertop for $135,000 plus tax. So if you want to go traditional, something simple, this one is for $71,000. That's a mural. This one is also $71,000. So this is a vessel vanity, or a sink bowl. Vessel sink, I'm sorry. And it's $186,000. This one, $228,000. This one comes with drawers, soft close, double vanity, also has a mirror, touch sensitive. This one is nice as well, but it's out of stock. It was for 133,000. So pretty much all the vanities you can think about are here at Toys R Us. Alright, let me not move so fast, I'm sorry. So it's 148,000. It's a single vanity. And it's 36 inches wide. This one is a double with the drawers in the middle. And it's 71 inches wide. It's $196,000. $53,000. I can't show you the price of everyone, but let me just, this one is out of stock as well. Pretty much all of these are over here or out of stock. This one is really nice. It's 94,000. I like this one. 35,000. These are the more traditional looking. So if you guys are interested in jacuzzi tubs, this one is for $190,000 Jamaican plus tax. This one is a little bit smaller. It's for $154. Has Bluetooth and all of that. This one is for $219,000 plus tax. And this is a double jacuzzi. You can see the jets. So these are Quartz countertops. The price for this one is $58,000, and that's the size right there. So it's 96 inches long. This one is the Imperial White. It's for $44,850. I really like this one, to be honest. This one I'm not really a fond of. Colonial Gold. It's for 44,850. This one I see sold on 44,850 as well. This one is more traditional looking. This one does not have a price. I'm assuming this one is no longer in stock. So these are the more modern. So for the 8-foot pieces, it's gonna be 44,850, not inclusive of tax. So let me take you over to the quartz section. So quartz is gonna be more expensive. I'm seeing here this piece is for 63,000. So this is my favorite over here, the color cutter quartz. I like the veining. This one is for 69,000 for the 8-foot piece. So the least expensive one over here is gonna be, let me tell you guys, it's gonna be the raw concrete for 58,000. So a benefit or an advantage of quartz versus granite is gonna be durability. So with granite you have to seal it over time. I think every 6 months you have to seal a granite. Versus the quartz countertops, those are pretty much, you don't have to do any maintenance or anything. They're scratch resistant. The only disadvantage is they're prone to heat damage. So if you put something hot on there, it might damage it. But it's quite durable. Other than that. So let me know what you guys think about this selection. Which one is your favorite?